In the hallway?
No, in your room.
Oh, Leonardo the dog threw up.
Maybe he threw up. I don't know.
Oh, sorry guys. I think. Hi. It's gonna be a video of the same Sligh grandfather clock. It's gonna go off 6:45 p.m. So let's film it.
No.
What's your name? Acid. Nice to meet you. I'm Declan. You like this clock? You like it?
See that? See that?
Yeah. Was he even walking? Leonardo!
Leonardo.
Come.
Hey.
Come, Leonardo.
You gotta keep that closed because August could be. Who's up there? Oh, sorry.
Leonardo, come.
Sorry, I should have it now.
Come on. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Come on.
Good job, Ashley.
Come on.
Good job. Sorry, Ashley. I didn't know Papa told you to do that. I apologize.
It's about to go off, I think. It's like something. If I do this without getting in trouble, because if someone sees this, they might be a little bit mad. So I'm gonna post it real fast and make sure they don't see it. If they do, they're gonna be pissed. Because my mom does not like me posting things by myself. She always likes me to peek when she sees, but don't say it out loud. But I'm gonna do this by myself because she might not let me for real. So I'll do it for you guys. It should go off. It really should. Come on. Let's go. Okay, let's go on the other side and see. Oh, here it goes.